There it is, 40 degrees north, 4,000 feet. The container is intact. Confirmed. It's buried deep in the sediment. Analyzing structural integrity now. Helmet seal secure. Check your comms. Comms active. Breathing apparatus check complete. Ready.
Depth reading confirmed at 4,000 feet.
Roger that.
Sunrise illuminates the sheer scale of the operation. The cables strain as the container finally rises.
Watch the starboard side, more water coming fast. Look at the stress fractures here by the locking bar.
Yep.
Copy that. Documenting for the structural report.
All right, hold it steady.
Hold it steady right there.
Yeah.
Lowering slowly now. Guide the left. Hold it steady. Easy now.
Yeah.
Almost.
Inside the Auto Recrafted Workshop, the meticulous process begins. A professional.
All right, clear on this side. Easy, easy, easy.
Watch as the chemical reaction transforms the orange corrosion into a dark, stable. Restoring this AMG Black Series requires meticulous effort, especially when dealing with this level of salt damage and corrosion.
Utilizing the heavy-duty hoist, the technicians secure the final lifting chains on this rare AMG V8.
Steady tension on the hoist. Clearance is checked. Confirmed. She's coming up level. The carbon buildup on this intake runner is significant. Yeah, absolutely. We'll need to... Main bearing clearance looks good. Yep, agreed. Watch the mount on your side. Needs to shift slightly left. Copy that. Harness is secure on this side. Okay, the center console is seated. Check.
auxiliaries. Ensuring flawless factory alignment, the team uses
And now, the moment we've all been waiting for.
the
Chassis number...
culmination of countless hours. The Mercedes-AMG GT Black Series. Restore.